The sounds of nature. Nature is scary sounding. There's so many creepy crawly things making noise. And that's the summertime noise, the nighttime noise of the summertime. Oh my goodness, it's such a beautiful evening. There's no humidity, it's so lovely. I can't see a sunset from here. I'm waiting on my daughter, so you don't see a sunset. But it's a beautiful, beautiful night. Look at the clouds, look at the blue sky. And it's been so hazy all day, but it's just beautiful. And just listen to those sounds. Crickets and bugs and frogs. Oh my. I hope everybody's having a fabulous, fabulous Friday Junior or Friday Eve. Thankful Thriving Thursday. I had such a ball with all my friends today, my soul family on live stream. I'll be back tomorrow for a little bit. Have a good evening, everyone. Love you.